In today's video, I will be showing you how to use this Just for Men's mustache and beard kit for $8.72 that I purchased at Walmart. So what I like to do is take a razor and first clean up my brows. So I take any sparse hairs that are overgrown, I brush them up with a spoolie or a brow brush, and I go ahead and just trim any excess hairs or unwanted hairs that I don't want, and just clean up my brows. If you're not good with a razor, you can go ahead and tweeze these hairs, or I would recommend you go ahead and get your normal brow wax or your brow threading done before doing this process. It just makes it look a lot neater and cleaner. So once you get that done, go ahead and take a cotton swab with some alcohol and just go ahead and clean that area. You want all dirt and oils to be removed from your brows when doing this process. Make sure your brows are even the way that you want them before starting the brow tinting process. So now I'm just going to take what comes into the kit. Make sure that you do an allergy test before starting this. I'm taking the color tint and the formula and mixing it together. Make sure to read the directions and just blending it together. This is a really simple kit, you guys. This is a random brush that I found at Michael's. I love to use this to tint my brows. It's just an angled brush, and you're just going to go ahead and put that product on your brows, just like you're kind of doing your brows, and just getting the product right on the brows, keeping it inside like you're coloring. You don't want to kind of get it on the skin. You can take some petroleum jelly and protect the area. I'm pretty good with brows, so I don't need to do that. But if you're concerned about any irritation or the dye getting on the skin, you can just put a little petroleum jelly around the perimeter of your brow, and then this would avoid any of the dye getting on it. And as you can see, the brow tint is starting to change. I'm using the color black, and just make sure you get this saturated very well on the brow. And this process only takes 5 minutes, guys, so you want to kind of move quickly with this because you only leave this on for 5 minutes. I'm taking a Q-tip and I'm just wiping off any product that got on my skin and just kind of making it a little bit neat, as neat as possible. And this is what it's looking like. Now I'm taking my Biore Charcoal Micellar Water. The directions tell you to just wash it off with water, and then you can use any like shampoo and wipe it off. I just use this micellar water. You're welcome to use water. Go wash your face. Micellar water works fine for me, and I just take it on a cotton swab, and it comes off very well with one cotton swab, and you can see the results right here. The whole purpose of this is to give you a tinted brow where you don't have to get up and do your brows every day. It's nice waking up in the morning or going to work. You don't have to worry about doing your brows. So I love this hack right here. Brows take the longest when doing your makeup. So this is just a great affordable hack if you don't have the money to get your brows microbladed. So this is what it's looking like now. I'm just brushing the brows up with my spoolie so you can see what it looks like after you've dyed your brows. So yeah, came out pretty good. And I've gone ahead and kind of cleaned up my eyes, getting it ready for makeup. And I put some concealer on my eyelids, and so you can see how clean it looks. There's no product, guys. This is exactly what it looks like. So your brows are done. Brows frame your face. It looks great. And I went ahead and finished my makeup. So you'll see the finished product of my eyes. And this lasts, a good week or so if you're not scrubbing your face a lot, and you can just reapply this as needed. But yeah, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in another video. Bye.